Professionals need the best tools to stay advantageous on a complicated job site. Introducing Incremental DTX10, a versatile 3-in-1 measuring equipment that integrates steel tape measure, digital tape measure, and laser distance meter, allowing professionals to make efficient and accurate measurements on a fast-paced job site through a single device. Providing measurements in both metrics and inches. The cutting-edge green laser line extension enables quick and accurate alignment between the blade marking and the measurement point on object. Thanks to the advanced photoelectric decoding technology, Incremental DTX10 has a digital display accuracy up to plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, making it the most accurate digital tape measure currently available on the market. With just a button click, you can quickly switch from digital tape measure to the laser distance meter that enables measurements to inaccessible points. Taking incremental measurement requires no calculations and is never more than a button press to set the display number back to 0, enabling much easier and more accurate staking out of a line segment. A live view IPS display and the innovative digital blade display show your measurements on an intuitive digital blade. A nylon-coated blade with industry-leading robustness and an innovative modular design that allows your blade to be replaceable by yourself. Area and volume can be unprecedentedly calculated from mixed data sources of digital tape measure and laser distance meter, avoiding ladder climbing, body squat, or other extra physical exertions, and bringing exceptionally comfortable measuring experience. The Bluetooth connectivity paired with Smart Life app allows for direct plan construction and sharing across your partners. Incremental DTX10. Make any job easier.